Hi there, mateys. Just a follow-up after this sieving process. This is the kind of stuff that we get out of the big one, the big sieve, the first one that we do. All the nice big chips, some connectors, everything that comes off the board. There's quite a lot of it, but all we do with this now is sit and separate everything by hand. Then we move over to the other one. Some more connectors, a bit smaller components, smaller chips, IC chips and everything, and then so on. We go to this next one and all the components gets a little bit smaller till we get some very small components, but the process after will be just sit and throw it out on a tray and sieve through it and put the right components by each other. And this is the smallest leftovers that comes out. There's a lot of small components still in it, but there's a lot of solder in it too. But I'll put another video on and show you the next process after this. Thank you very much for watching and good day to all. Thank you.